So children, periodic classification. Next topic we are going to discuss periodic classification. Next topic we are going to discuss. Children. What is the next topic? Children, still now what are the topics we discussed? Once I will say, I told about Daubigny's trial. I told about Newland law of octaves. I told about Mendeleev's law. I told about Moseley's law. After saying this, then I told you about atomic size, what happens in groups and periods. I told metallic character, what happens in groups and period. Non-metallic character, what happens in groups and period. I told ionization energy. I told electron affinity. Then I told valency children and valency electrons. Yesterday I told reactivity also. Okay, this is the end of the lesson, children. But apart from this, you have to learn two important boxes, children. First box and second box. If you learn that, many questions, application type of questions will come in this lesson. The application type of questions you can do, children. First, I will show a small box, then I will give a big box. Please practice that box, children. Very, very important. It helps you in doing many type of application questions, children. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about a small box and a big box also, children. It will be helpful, children. Okay, so these are official topics, children. This is unofficial. Only I am saying from my end so that your answering will be your understanding capacity will be more. That's all. First, I will discuss about small box. Then I will discuss about the big box, children. So small table. First small table I am discussing, children. This table daily I am drawing anyway, same table, children. Please keep copying along with me, children. Hydrogen, all of you keep copying. Helium, or else don't copy, children. I will send the picture later. You can copy. I will send the picture, children. Don't copy. Just see. Hydrogen, helium, please. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Please see, children. I will send the copy. Okay. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Okay, children. So next, and this is first period, children. This is second period. This is third period. This is fourth period. Okay, children. This is first group, and this is second group, and this is 13th group, children. 3 to 12 we will not discuss now, children. We will discuss in higher classes. 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group, and 18th group. Children, please listen here, all of you. Now you have to remember minimum this much table up to 20 elements. Minimum you have to remember. In exam, if any question comes, you should be in a position to identify these elements, valence electrons, all those things. Now, valency. What is valency? Combining capacity of an element is called valency. First group elements, to attain stability, they lose one electron. Sorry, sure. Yeah, they lose one electron. Losing I'm indicating plus. They lose one electron to attain stability. Any of them, if they lose one electron, they can go to helium, neon, argon. Happy. Second group elements have to lose 2 electrons. 13th group elements have to lose 3 electrons. 14th group cannot lose or share, give 4 electrons, so they share 4 electrons, children. And 15th group, to go here, they should take 3 electrons, children. And this will take -2, this will take 1 electron. Of course, this valency is 0. This is valency. Now coming to valence electrons. Valence electrons. First group elements will have 1 electron. Second group elements will have 2 electrons in their outermost shell. 13th group will have 3, 14, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is valence electrons. Okay, children. Now +1, +2, +3. See, children. +1, +2, +3. +1, +2, +3. +1, +2, +3 indicates what? They are giving electrons. Giving electrons is a property of metals. Giving electron is a property of whom, children? Metals. Only metals can give electrons always. Okay. When they give electrons, they form what, children? Cations. When they give electrons, they form what, children? Cations. So cations are always liberated at cathode. Cations are always liberated at cations. Cathode. Cations means positively ions. Cathode means negatively charged electrode is called cathode. Okay, children, you have to remember this box. So first group, second group, 13th group elements are metals. First group, second group, and 13th group elements are metals. And 4, -3, -2, -1, 0, all are non-metals. Till here, children, this I won't discuss. 18th group we should never discuss, children. And they all take electrons. Why they take electrons? To attain stability, and they are called non-metals. Whoever take electrons, they are called non-metals. Non-metals are taking electrons, so they form negative ions. Negative ions are called anions, and anions are always liberated at anode. What is an anode? Positively charged electrode. Positively charged electrode is called anode, but anions are negatively charged ions. Negative ions will go to anode only, actually. Anions means negative, but they will be liberated at anode. This box you have to remember. It will help you in doing various questions. Okay, children, all of you. I'll send a picture later. You can copy, children, or else you can copy now. And give you 10 seconds time, children. Either you copy or I will send a picture. You copy later, children. And give 10 seconds. Do anything fast. Don't talk in the middle, children. I have to say some more. I'm sending the picture, children. As it is, you have to remember, children, how many times you'll practice this table, your wish, but this is very, very important. It will help you in doing various questions, children. How questions will come on this table, I will keep it as a link, children, in the video. You open that link and see the description, children. You can see. Okay, I have kept this, children. Those who didn't copy later, you can copy. Now, one more big table, I will say, children. This is small table. You should be in a position to write this table anytime when in the examination, children. Please. I'm writing this. Now a big table. Children, big table also same one, but there I will want to explain about group number and period number, how we assess. So children, I'm writing a big table. Please see, children, all of you. First see, I'll give you send a picture. Hydrogen. Please see here, children. Helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium. Please check, children. Magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. First 20 is the same definition. Okay. Now, what is the hydrogen atom number 1 is there? So, configuration is 1. Helium is how much, children? 2. Lithium is how much, children? 2, 1. Beryllium is how much? 2, 2. You should be in a position to write configuration compulsory. Boron 2, 3. 2, 4. 2, 5. 2, 6. 2, 7. 2, 8. 2, 8, 1. 2, 8, 2. 2, 8, 3. 2, 8, 4. 2, 8, 5. Phosphorus, sulfur 286. Chlorine 287. Argon 288. Potassium 2881. Calcium 2882. Okay, children, I'll send a picture if you're not able to copy, but try to copy, children. Okay, now. So, children, see here all this, all of you see here, children. Now, coming to group number, children. What is group number? What is group number? In board exam, the last, children. What do you mean by group number? Group number means number of valence electrons. How many valence electrons will be there? That is the group number, children. In the examination, they will ask what is group number, what is period number, how do I identify the position of the table, element in the table. Group number is outermost electron. Since hydrogen is having one electron in outermost shell, children, it belongs to first group. Since helium is having 2 electrons in outermost shell, it belongs to which group, children?
18.
This is only exception, children. It is only exception. It belongs to 18. This is only exception, children. Don't say second group, okay? This is having 1 electron, so it belongs to first group. This is having 2 electrons, so it belongs to second group. This is having 3 electrons, so it belongs to which group, children?
13th.
Very good. 13th group. Fantastic. It has 4, so it belongs to 14th group. 5, 15th group. 6, 16th group. 7, 17th group. 8, 18th group. Again, 1, first group. 2, second group. 3, 13th group. 4, 14th group. 5, 15th group. 6, 16th group. 7, 17th group. 8, 18th group. Outermost electrons is equal to group number. 1, first group. 2, second. That's all. Outermost electrons is equal to group number. How do you identify group number? In board exam they'll ask. You should say number of valence electrons is equal to group number. Number of valence electrons is equal to group number. Now period number. Period number is number of shells. Depending upon the number of shells, you will decide the period number. Depending number of shells, if you can write this thing, children, you can answer any question in period table, children. Okay, number of shells. Children, here and here only one shell is there. See, here 2 shells are there. Everywhere 2 shells are there. For this both, only one shell is there. So they both belongs to first period. Now from here to here you see everywhere two shells are there. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, two shells. Two shells means they belongs to second period. I hope you are able to understand, children. And from here to here you see, children. How many shells are there, children, from here to here?
8.
Three shells are there.
Three
Children.
shells.
Very good. So they belong
3
to
shells, sir.
third period. And last two elements, you children. How many shells are there in last two? 2, 8, 8, 1.
4.
2, 8, 8, 2. Four shells are there, children. So they both have four shells. So they belongs to. Please mute your audios, children. Fourth period. This is how you write group and period. Groups and period. So group is equal to number of valence electrons. Period is equal to number of shells. In board exam, they'll ask you, children, how do you identify a group and a period? You should say group is equal to number of shells and period. Group is equal to number of valence electrons and period is equal to number of shells. You have to say in the exam, children. Very, very important question. Okay, please copy down, children. If you can't copy down, I'm sending the picture, children. Actually, see the picture. One small example I will give you. They will give like this question. One small example I will give children. How they will ask question in exam. I hope everyone copied this, children. I'm giving 10 seconds. If you can't copy, I have sent the picture also. Picture will be there with you. I'm wrapping this. I want to give a question example. How they will ask a question in the board exam. See, children, how they will ask question in the board exam. One question I will show you. Then you will have a clear idea. Oh, like these questions will come in exam. Like this. They will. An element X is there whose atomic number is 13. Whose atomic number is 13. Okay, basing on this, they will ask questions. Basing on this, they will ask questions. See, write its electronic configuration. Please see here, children, all of you. Everyone should hear. Write its electronic configuration. Write its group number. Write its period number. Write its valency. Write its valence electrons. Is it a metal or non-metal? Is it a cation or anion? Write the formula of its oxide. Write the formula of its chloride. Okay, children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and identify element. Identify element. Like different questions can come. To know all these things, children, basic level understanding you should have. So configuration of 13 is 2, 8, 3. 2 plus 8 plus 3 is 13. So group number, seeing outermost electrons, will say 13th group. Period number of shells. How many shells are there? So it belongs to third period. Valency, because it belongs to 13th group, plus 3 is the valency. Valence electrons, outermost 3 are there, 3. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 are metals. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 are metals, children. So it is a metals. And children, metals we know always form cations. Metals will always form cations. So write the formula of its oxide, children. X is plus 3 because it is being plus 3. No? Oxide means minus 2. Formula of its oxide is X2O3. 2 comes here, 3 goes down. X2O3. Formula of its chloride. X plus 3, chloride is minus 1, children. 1 comes here, 3 goes there. XCl3. Okay, identify the element. What is the element, children? 13th element?
Aluminium.
Aluminum.
Okay, children. Like these questions will come, children. No, sir, like this only will come. Means any of them will come, children. Any of them will come, children. Like this only will get means no. Any of them will come. So I gathered. Okay, if they want it, they can ask some more questions also. Like this, they will give. They'll ask you find out the number of protons, number of electrons, number of neutrons. Also, you're their wish. You're studying in 9th class, no? 13 means protons 13. 13 means electrons 13. Neutrons means mass number minus atomic number 14 is neutrons, like that. Their wish, children. You should have a sound knowledge on the subject. If you have knowledge on the subject only, you will be in a position to answer. That is the thing, children. Okay, sir, this is very easy. Show some other element, you may say. Okay, children. I will show one more element, children, so that you will have a clear understanding of this, children. Please see, children, all of you. I will show one more element. Like this questions will come, children. Like this questions will come in periodic classification. Which group, which period? If you want to identify, you can identify only if you have some knowledge on all these things. How group number? Okay, an element X is there whose atomic number is 20. Whose atomic number is 20? Okay, children. Identify its electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 2. Group number, outermost 2 electrons, so it belongs to second group. Period number of shells, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it belongs to fourth period. Why? Because 4 shells are there. You should write reasons also. Group number 2. Why group number 2? Outermost 2 electrons are there. Valency plus 2 because it gives 2 electrons to attain stability. Whose stability is noble gas? Okay, valence electrons 2, outermost electrons is valence electron. Outermost electrons is equal to valence electrons. Is it a metal or non-metal? It is a metal. Why it is a metal? Because it is giving electron. Who gives electrons? Metals will give electron, non-metals will take electron. Okay, is it a cation or anion? It is a cation because if give electrons, on giving electrons you will get positive charge. On giving electrons you will get positive charge. Formula of its oxide: X is plus 2, O is minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, XO. Formula of its chloride: X is plus 2, Cl is minus 1. You have to do and show here. I don't have plus, that's why I'm not showing. So 2 goes here, 1 comes here, XCl2. Okay, identify the element. Calcium, like this. Okay, no, sir, like this they will give what you will do means. Then they will ask electrons. Number of electrons 20. Number of protons 20. Number of neutrons 40 minus 20 again 20. Neutrons is mass number minus atomic number. This is atomic number. This is atomic number. Electrons is equal to. Like this, you should be in a position to answer any type of question when they come in exam, children. To do this, these two tables which I told today will be very much helpful. You should practice the tables, children, because I know I wrote very fast, but if you practice, then you will understand where you are lagging behind. When you are practicing without seeing, you will understand, children. Practice as many times as possible so that like these questions you can do easily, children. Okay, so such type of questions will come, and I will put so many questions in the link, children, in the description. You can have a look. Okay, any doubts, children? Anyone?